So you've heard about crypto and now it's time for you to dive in. Well, let's get you started in Solana with Jupiter. First step, go to jupe.ag, then come up right here and click on Welcome to Solana. This will open a new page. Then click Get Started. Now to get started on the blockchain, you need a crypto wallet. So for this tutorial, we're going to grab the Backpack wallet. We can't see it here, so let's just quickly go and refresh the page until we can see it. This is Backpack here, and if we click on this link, we know it's correct. So let's click Backpack. This takes us to backpack.app. You can get Backpack on your mobile phone, or you can also download it for your computer. We're going to download the extension, clicking here, and this takes us to the Chrome Web Store. We can see 300,000 users and 320 ratings. Let's click Add to Brave. This part here is normal, and click Add Extension. Now you have to create a new wallet. If you're already in crypto, you may already have another wallet from say Ethereum or BNB chain, but if not, just click Create a New Wallet, and if you do have a wallet, of course, Import Wallet is what you'll choose. So what we're going to do now is generate a secret recovery phrase. We're going to read through this because this is super important. This is the only way to recover your account if you lose access to your device or password. Write it down, store it in a safe place, and never share it with anyone. If someone has access to your secret recovery phrase, they can take all of your crypto. So click on this, that you agree, and click Next. And here you can see the recovery phrase. We've blurred out the middle words so you can't see them. But if we have a look at the first word, it says quality. If I were to refresh the page and create a new wallet, it will change. You can see it now says sad. Now how this has been generated is a little bit complex. Essentially, the blockchain generates this secret recovery phrase. This is not coming from the website. We can see up here in the URL box that it says Chrome extension. This means it's actually coming from the application using code that's connected to the blockchain to make it somewhat simple. Now, some people write it down, then they triple check every word and they put their secret recovery phrase in a safe. Other people like to copy this and store it in a secure password manager. Either way, ensure you triple check your secret recovery phrase and make sure there are no spelling mistakes whatsoever. Then click I saved my secret recovery phrase and click Next. Now select your network. We'll go with Solana. Now put in your password. I've created a secure password using a password manager. This is general security advice. I'm going to show it to you now, just so you get an idea of how secure it is. If someone had your computer or your device, you can see this would be very hard to breach. A secure password is very important. Then click I agree and Next. Now you can name your account, such as Tutorial, Next, and then open Backpack. Come up to the jigsaw piece, which is where extensions are stored. Click on this and then click on the pin icon. This now allows easy access into your Backpack wallet. In the next tutorials, we'll cover how you can receive crypto into your wallet. But if you already know about that, this here is your wallet address. You can copy this address and send crypto here on the Solana network, or you can scan this QR code here, nice and easy. So that's how you set up a Backpack wallet. Once again, make sure your secret recovery phrase is stored nice and safe and that you've triple checked it. In the next tutorials, we'll cover how to send and receive crypto from your wallet. And then we'll dive into Solana and do lots of learning. Catch you in the next tutorial.